And you can't believe it, I made all these beautiful songs using Gemini AI 2 plus one other tool. So before I show you how to do this, make sure you listen to these songs first.
January wind chill, but the sun in my soul, hope whisper promises.
12 months spinning sun and moon and fire. January whispers dreams and night. Through every season your hand held my entire.
This and all this amazing, beautiful music was made with Gemini AI plus one other AI tool I will tell you at the end. So make sure you stick to the end. At the end of this video, you're going to be able to make your own music that you can publish. Right, so without further ado, let's get right into it. So if you're on the laptop, you know Google Gemini is integrated into PauTECtips for now. So that's how you can access it. Right, so we're going to go to our browser and we're going to search for PauTECtips AI. And once it opens up, if this is your first time using it, then you have to sign up for an account. Already I have one, so just go ahead to the prompt section and we're going to write a prompt. Okay, it's going to be very simple. I want to write a prompt for my lyrics and the lyrics for my song. Okay, right, so I'm just simply going to type can you write me the lyrics for a song to thank God for his goodness upon my life from January to December 2023. Let it be this and that. I'll hit send, and within seconds Gemini AI is done generating this beautiful lyrics that for us is so amazing. You see all the verse, you see the chorus and to the conclusion. Okay, it's very nice. So in a way, we are done with Google Gemini for now. So but at a point in time, we'll be coming back to pick our lyrics. So let's move on to the next AI tool that I'm about to show you. Now we've had the lyrics. If you are a good musician, then you can go ahead and you sing it, you use it and sing. But me, I'm not a musician. So we're going to use an AI tool that's going to sing this beautiful lyrics for us. It's going to be amazing. So let's move to the next AI tool. So we're going to search for Suno AI and hit enter. Now this AI again, you have to create an account with them. So go ahead and sign up. I already have an account with them. Right, so once it brings you here, we're going to already I have some songs in my library. Okay, but I can go and play them and listen to them. It's created by this AI. But that's not our focus. Let's start from scratch, creating a new song with these our lyrics. And now once we are here, we are going to click on create, and then you see that this section is for you to enter your lyrics. So I'm just going ahead and I'm going to copy the lyrics and I'm going to paste it right away here. Okay, right, so you can decide if your lyrics is too long, you can decide to at least divide them into sections. So you create song 1, song 2, 3, and you can combine all of them into one song. That is it. Okay, so let's give your song a title, the genre. You can give it find some description for the song, and bam, that is it. So let's go ahead and we're going to click on create or generate, and within seconds our song is ready. So let's go and play it. I think we'll have the male and the female voices, so let's play the male one first.
January wind chill, but the sun in my soul, hope whisper promises made my spirit whole. February's raindrops washed worries away. March brought a rainbow brighter than yesterday. Oh God, you're good. All year long you've been true through life.
And look at it. Oh, so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. Let's also try the female one, but I think I like the male one and the female, so whichever one you like.
January wind chill, but the sun in our soul. Hope whisper promises, made my spirit whole. February's raindrops washed worries away. March brought a rainbow, brighter than yesterday. Oh God, you're good. All year long you've been.
So once we're done with this, you can go ahead and share the link to anybody. So when they click on the link, they can be able to listen to your song online. It's being hosted. Okay, right? So if you can also download it to your device and you can be listening to or shared with people. So I'm just going to click on this three vertical dots here. I'm going to select download. It's going to be, so you can select the download tab, either a video. So the video is going to come in the form of lyrics. So they will have it singing. It's going to be displaying the lyrics on your screen. But so you can download both of them, both the audio and the video, whichever one you prefer. And now let's go out to our device and I will play it.
January wind chill, but the sun in our soul. Hope whisper promises.
And that is it. It's playing beautifully. We've produced a song using just Google Gemini AI plus Suno AI too. You can produce as many songs, beautiful ones for yourself. Copyright free, you're the owner. All right, so that is it. That is it for today. So if you know this video helps you a lot, please don't just go like that. I've made some time to putting all these things together. So just give it a like, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you return. Okay, there's much things we never know yet. All right, hope to see you next time again. Goodbye, stay safe.